how y'all doing today? Today, what I'm going to do is show how I make a awesome grilled cheese sandwich. We'll get right to it. This will be a grilled cheese that has some white bread. I'm using brioche because I'm kind of bougie. And I've got three kinds of cheeses. I've got a cheddar cheese, a Swiss cheese, and Havarti. And I'm going to show you how to put that together in a way that kind of blew my mind when I learned how to do this. Yeah, we'll take it from there. All right, so what I'm going to do here is first put together the two different ones I'm going to do. So I've got grilled cheese sandwiches in production here. The first one, I'm going to go with the first base layer is going to be the cheddar cheese. Then I'm going to put a piece of Havarti on there. We'll call it good on, well, let's put a piece, let's do them both the same. Why not? We'll just make two of the exact same thing, but we'll change the order up. So we've got cheddar, Swiss, Havarti in different orders. I also have some tomatoes, which I'm going to put in between. I'm going to put one on this one and two on this one. And then close them up on top and take it from there. Now, one of the things that I used to do is when I learned how to make them from ancient peoples that would cook the grilled cheese over an open campfire, I guess, I would put the cheese on the bread first, like now. You know, I would spread cheese on these two sandwiches and then put them in the pan. But I saw a great movie called Chef, and they didn't do it that way. They put the butter on the pan and then put the sandwich on that, and that totally made sense. That's what we're going to do. Now, I am going to set this pan. You don't want it hot, super hot. I'm going to set this at like 4.5. You'll know your own stove better than I do, obviously. So wherever it is, but kind of a medium-ish spot, not any hotter than that, because you want it to cook kind of evenly. Sam likes cheese. Doesn't really care what kind either. So I'm going to take my butter now, and I'm just going to put kind of a whole mess of it, since I'm going to do two of them at the same time. Put a whole mess of it down on here and just take my butter and put it back over here. And then I will put both of these in here. And it's going to take a minute to heat up, but it won't take too long. All right, so now here we are, and we've got both of these in there. Let's look at what we got. That's looking pretty good, right? So let's check this one. Pretty good. So let's put some more butter down. Woo! And then put these on the other side, and you can kind of see that they are starting to melt. And this is a point where I might want to press down on them a little bit. And I'm going to turn it up just a little bit, because I want the melting to advance. I'm also going to kind of just, you know, scrape them up, make sure they're not sticking to the bottom of the pan, and they're pretty loose in there. Now, there's a lot of melting cheeses that you could use. You could get fancier cheeses for sure, but this gets the job done. American cheese, incidentally, is the one that, like, you get the big stretch of cheeses when you pull open the sandwich. We may or may not get that with this, but maybe. We'll see. And we should be getting really close. Let's take a peek. Yep, we're good. Good enough for me. I can eat it. remove the pan off the heat so that cools down. And then you can see what we have going on here. So let's cut one in half and see if we can get our cheese effect. Like I said, we may or may not be able to. And no, but look, it's all cheesy and great. This is awesome, and you can see the tomato in there too. So let's see if you can see me taking a bite. So here I am. I've got my grilled cheese. It's warm and it's amazing, and it helps your self-esteem. So grilled cheese is great stuff. Thanks for stopping by today. Sam, what do you think? What do you think? Do you like grilled cheese? Do you like grilled cheese? Let's get some. Good job, buddy.